Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you're all fine, enjoying your life well. In this video I am going to show you frilly frock, polka dot fabric frocks and different kind of frocks in which you see many of contrasting ideas and full dress ideas, your baby outfit for birthday, your baby outfit for any party wear collection. In this video you will also see casual or formal wear or also see party wear. Viewers, a dress is a garment traditionally worn by girls or women, consisting of a skirt with an attached bodice or a matching bodice, giving the effect of a one-piece garment. If you attach different, then it can affect the full dress. It consists of a top piece that covers the torso and hang down over the legs. A dress can be any one-piece garment containing a skirt of any length and can be formal or casual. A dress can have sleeves, straps, or be held with elastic around the chest, leaving the shoulder bare. Dresses also vary in color, for example, red, blue, white, and many more colors, and also in contrasting. The hemlines of dress vary depending on modesty, weather, fashion, or the personal taste or wearer. Every person has their different taste, and every person like different dresses. Viewers, if you want more type of dresses design, more type of frock designing ideas, then ask in comment. I will upload more designing ideas for you on my channel. If you want to know about stitching, then ask in comment section. I will upload more stitching tutorial for you. On my channel I have uploaded also many stitching tutorial. If you want to know about stitching, if you want to learn about stitching, cutting, then visit my channel. Okay viewers, Allah Hafiz.